Anything you do in this life, know God. Trust God. Have faith. No matter the condition, no matter the situation, weeping may endure for a night. But guess what? Definitely joy will come in the morning by the grace of God. Especially when your hand clean. Especially when you no fit do. You no fit do person and person take am upon theirself say they wan come do you. Give them time. Let them enjoy it while it lasts. But you see at the end, God, at the end, they go regret. They go beg for forgiveness, they no go see. Wetin dey happen to Judy Austin so, if they tell her 3 years ago, say a time will come, this your dancing mates when you take dey do con ten t now, this man when you carry turn him face comot from him family, you no go see am take do again. Judy go think say na lie. Who wan do am? She wey get wetin she believe on? She wey get wetin dey work for her? If they tell Judy even last year say you go do her like this, the way you do her so, Judy no go ever believe. She go say lie. But today it's happening. Today it is happening. What a time to be alive. Breaking news my people, e don burst. Judy Austin don dey cry, tears everywhere as Yul Edochie do this for Queen May. All what we are seeing now, all what is happening on the media since morning, is all because of Queen May. You wan know why? Sit down make I tell you. Matter don still enter my cabash. Yes, na Bazzi News dey bring am. Direct from the right source. Go and take a glass of wine. Carry your popcorn. Don't get tipsy make we talk this matter. As e dey sweet us like this, make we dey use am take dey sobobo. My people, una see the viral video of Mama Rita Edochie today, when she dey with Yul Edochie and Link Edochie, even their mama, Barrister Josephine Edochie. The video don stir a lot of controversy on the internet space because they never knew a time will come that Mama Rita Edochie will be bonding with Yul, or rather, they will just be communicating, having a heart-to-heart conversation, a lovely video without gbas-gbos. Because we see all the things when Rita do for social media now. Not be waiting they tell person. We see the havoc when she cause war, as in Daboski when she be. She cause war. When it comes to Yul and Judy Austin marriage, she not give them peace. She not give them peace. She was the weapon that fashioned against them in that marriage. Now she still be the weapon till tomorrow that fashioned against Judy Austin. She not give them peace at all. We all saw everything that happened. And according to Judy Prick Warriors, they say anytime when you see Mama Rita, now so he go do this, he go do that. But the thing shocked them today. So this video has stirred so much controversy on the internet space. People come dey ask why, how it happen, wetin happen. Now wetin happen, I want gist una so. Now I want tell una so as e dey hot. I say Judy is in tears as Yul Edochie do this for Queen May. They say as the matter still dey court, una know say the last time when Yul and Queen May go court, that was few days ago, November 24th to be precise, this very month when we dey. Say Yul Edochie still dey beg. Up till today, Yul is still begging for settlement. He want to reconcile, but May say no. E no go fit possible. He don't forgive you. She got nothing against you. But you see that reconciliation, we don't pass that stage. We cannot reconcile. We cannot settle. We cannot come back as couple. I've moved on. You found your peace of mind. You can continue with her. There was never a time she said, oh, you can't continue with Judy. That was why she gave both of you a chance. She have to leave. She was the one that left. So there was never a time she fought Judy to say because say she won't stay, Judy must go. No. No. Say this matter, Yul Edochie still want make the comeback. But unfortunately, like I said, Queen May Edochie say lie. So as the matter they go, people wey Yul Edochie don involve, I mean men of caliber, potential men and women, not be small children, when Yul don involve for this case, especially from the last concluded court case when it happened few days ago. They say now they come begin tell Yul Edochie say, if you want peace, yes, for a while now they see and say he don't really comot body from Judy Austin. He's not doing his thing. He's not trying to rebrand himself. He has really disassociated himself from Judy Austin, that he should continue that way. Even though say Queen May no take him back again, said may they come they date or may they come marry again, may they date together, but at least they will have a good relationship, a good bond, because there is always a bond that will bond them together for the rest of their life, which is their children. That is what I always say. And now that one make me the happy, say at least their children go can't get same papa, go can't get papa when he get sense. Don't be the one where they see for media when they galavant with that Ekwesu, when he don't know himself again, not can't even know say, as a father, he need to build better legacy. He need to get better reputation. He need to, as in I want to talk, he need to do well so that his children go dey proud of him. He have to set a good example as a dad. Not be the one where they can't see say he dey dance at Tilogun for social media with Judy Austin. Judy be carry you go where you don't know. Judy carry this man go where you don't know. He use am knock chest, say nothing dey happen. Snatch person husband, use am dey rub her face for media. Judy be too do sha. So they say these people can't tell Yul Edochie say yes, they don't see am now say he don't dey improve. He don't dey try to make amends, even though say they know say he don't late. But if at all say he need to buy Queen May Edochie heart, he need to do things when people go really know say yes, he has really dumped Judy Austin. You know say Mama Rita Edochie dey go this burial when they go, so if not before, you no go this place because he no want see any of his family members. If not before, when Yul and Judy Austin still dey, Judy no go allow Yul go this place when he know say yes, then they come, because they say now their family member, a family member na the burial they go. Yul know say they go dey there, his own mama go dey there, Rita go dey there, but he still went. Why? Because he won't do all these things so that Queen May go know say yes, he don't really dump Judy Austin. He and Judy not really dey together again. If not for anything, if they say Yul won't have that good relationship with his children, he want to be that loving father he was before, that caring dad he was before to his kids. Even Yul know say Queen May cannot accept him. He already know, but he just dey try. He dey try make an attempt. He dey try in faith. He won't try make it see if it go happen. But all these things now because of May Edochie. Now make Yul do this thing. This video when he do, when even the whole Rita Edochie for sure that they make peace. Now even call they talk to Mama Rita Edochie. Now his voice now loud pass. Make Judy for no say yes, he don't go. He don't go. He's done. Make May Edochie for still know say he don't dump Judy. He no be that Yul of 3 years ago, 2 years ago, of last year. He don't change. So Yul Edochie is doing this for Queen May and the children. Yul Edochie is trying to reunite with his family. He's trying to make amends. He's trying, as in Mama Rita will come out. Rita has a lot to say. He don't fit tell una say he go come back. For now, make una caption the video for her. Mama Rita Edochie has a lot to say regarding this video that went viral today and what Yul Edochie told her. Yul said a lot of things and Yul did it for Queen May. Judy never see anything. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just a little of what Judy is about to see, what she should expect. You see all the people when Judy Austin be think say, oh, she don't take Yul Edochie away from them. Now all of them with Yul, and they go put Judy in her place. Yes, husband snatchers. Una no good. I'm gonna put an end to it. Even if at all, say that man the man in question, his religion permitting. At least Make una no do am the way Judy take do am, because some men dey, they will say they be Muslim, they be this, they are, but let the first wife give permission. Let the first wife give him permission. Make dem not put that woman for darkness the way Yul Edochie kept Queen May in the darkness. Without her permission, without her consent, you just bring woman come, and you go come dey happy for that house. You go come dey happy on top another woman tears, and you think say you go get peace of mind, e go well with you, that marriage go last? E no go last. Talk less of say that man sef is a Christian. He was born and brought up in a Catholic home. His tradition does not even permit him. His religion as a Christian does not permit him. His family does not practice polygamy. He didn't take permission and consent from his wife. You just come from nowhere, and now you come dey use hand knack chest or talking ado. Now you dey say make day break, day go break. Say you go dance 1,000 years for Yul Edochie. You go dance this one, you go do this one for Yul. Man when you snatch, man when you destroy in life, destroy in marriage, destroy in family, destroy everything. Man when you be say you enter in life, you never reach how many months when we take on no for public, for media, e pikin kpai. Gosh. Anyway, my people, I say make I give una the update. Say all these things when they play, Yul dey do am because of Queen May, based on wetin they tell am make e do. Yes, Yul don do away with Judy. It's done with Judy Austin. It's finally over. You no need to go dey consult soothsayer to tell you say Yul and Judy Austin no dey together again. They not get wetin they play along. Nothing they play along. They are not doing any content. They are not staying silent to keep their marriage. Like don't finish. It's over. Judy tenure don over. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to put up the post notification bell. I will see you all on my next upload, guys. Bye.